Let's create a kitchen space as an example. Imagine a room that is 4 meters wide with a left corner pillar measuring 45 centimeters by 30 centimeters and a center pillar positioned 1 meter further in, measuring 45 centimeters by 45 centimeters. Now let's place cabinets in this space. Start by creating a cabinet in front of the first pillar, making it slightly less deep and less wide than the pillar itself. Add adjacent cabinets. To size the first cabinet precisely, select it, press S to scale, choose the Y axis, and snap it to the edge of the cabinet. Continue by adding a third cabinet, positioning it against the second, and scaling it to perfectly fill the remaining space. Repeat this process around all other obstacles. Once the base cabinets are positioned, you can add shelves, drawers, and fronts as needed. The key advantage here is that the space is filled accurately without manual dimension calculations, and you can export cutting lists that match this custom layout.